Let's dive right into this explainer and finally fix that annoying iaStorA.sys blue screen in Windows 11.
We're going to tackle 5 proven fixes today, starting with the absolute easiest methods first.
See, this error usually stems from a buggy Intel Rapid Storage driver. Let's fix it.
Fix 1. Update that driver directly in Device Manager under your IDE ATA/ATPI controllers. Just select Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will hunt down the latest stable version. If updating fails, the file's probably corrupted. Let's just remove it completely by uninstalling. After you right-click and hit Uninstall, restart your PC immediately to clear it out. Still crashing? Let's switch to the standard AHCI driver to completely ditch that Intel dependency. Select the standard SATA AHCI controller from the list to bypass Intel and stabilize things.
You know, corrupted system files also trigger this. Let's run a quick scan to repair them.
Just run sfc/scan now as an administrator to automatically find and fix deep OS level corruption. Finally, firmware matters. Fix 5 is downloading the latest BIOS straight from your manufacturer's website. Make sure to follow their official instructions carefully to avoid any permanent hardware damage.
Resolving these conflicts stops the crashing.